Hi there, this is Angela Price from Eden Condensed, and I wanted to pop in here and wish everybody a happy spring. I think it has finally sprung, definitely in Los Angeles, and hopefully wherever you are, you've got spring coming around you and you're getting that itch to go out and get into the garden. I wanted to take a couple minutes to dispel the myth of the black thumb, of the gardening black thumb. There's no indication that having black thumbitis is actually a real medical condition or even a genetic anomaly. If you want to garden, go out and garden. And listen, I get it. You've gone out there before and maybe you've tried to plant and you've killed things or things have died, and it's not your fault. If you don't know what you're doing, take the time to learn. It's like any new skill. So if you want to learn how to cook, you take a cooking class. If you want to learn how to knit, you take a knitting class. And if you want to learn how to garden, you can either take a gardening class or learn online or ask a friend or jump into a gardening Facebook group and learn and actually get out there and take action, because part of it's also about experimentation and having fun. And worrying too much about whether you can do it or not isn't going to get you out there and isn't going to get you growing. So I'd love it if you would comment below and let me know one thing that you're committed to planting this spring, and or something that you've tried that you've never tried before, and let me know what that is, and I'm happy to help you. Have a great day. Thanks.